If you look here in this question, students, it is a question with a determinant part, concept of determinant, where entries are complex numbers whose answer also is equal to a complex number. If that is the case, then what is the value of x and y is the question asked. So I'll go by the objective of solving determinants is to make the maximum number of entries or elements 0. So I'll go by transformations now. R1 transforms to R1 plus R2. So 6i plus 4, is it okay? 6i plus 4, 420, and here this is 0, this is 0, 3i and minus 1, 3 and I, that is equal to x plus iy. Simple stuff. Now what you do, you expand it along the row number 1, 6i plus 4 multiplied by 3i square plus 3, correct, 3i square plus 3, minus 0 into something plus 0 into something, that is equal to x plus iy, is it not? So we'll take out 2 common, 3i plus 2 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. If you take out 3 common, I square is minus 1, right? That is equal to x plus iy. So you see that minus 1, okay, 6 into 3i plus 2 into 0, that is equal to x plus iy, which means 0 is equal to x plus iy. So I can write this as 0 plus I into 0, that is equal to x plus iy. So your value for x is equal to 0, the value of y is equal to 0, which corresponds to the option number D is the answer to the question.